I've gotten a bunch of comments asking about where I got my cool tow hook from, and I figured that it was about time that I had the answer writ large for all to see. HiroshimaSpirit! Being a dumb race car racer like me is closer and freer than you might think. Here's how. Begin by staring at the front end of your Mazda2 until you can no longer stand that it doesn't have a tow hook sticking out the front of it. Then, make your way around to the back of the car, open up the hatch, reach under the faux floor to the spare tire well, and find your OEM toolkit, which contains several implements necessary for changing a tire, but, most importantly, it should contain a tow hook, lovingly provided by Mazda. After acquiring your tow hook, come back around to the front of the car, where you'll find this little plastic panel here. Pull that baby off, and reveal the threaded hole behind the bumper. That's where your tow hook threads in. But that's where it stops being free. I, of course, painted mine red, and I painted what was behind the cover black. It was originally white foam. Like this. Not cool. And that, of course, is all up to you, but a couple of cheap cans of spray paint, maybe $5, I think that's a worthwhile expense. Unfortunately for some people who bought their twos secondhand, the previous owner may have misplaced or lost the factory toolkit, so this isn't an option for them. They can be found on eBay for about $20, but at that point, it's not a free tow hook. You could also buy an aftermarket tow hook or a tow strap, whatever. It's up to you. Anyway, that's it for me this time. I hope you guys have enjoyed this one. I'm sure I'll get some thumbs down on it. I've been getting more of those lately, but you know what? If you thumb down my videos, you're probably watching them through AdBlock anyway, so bite me. Ad revenue pays for content creation. Oh my god, what a concept. But to the rest of you, thank you all so much for watching and subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Now you too can win the car park.